Alright, it's Wednesday, June 27, 2018. It is 3:08 p.m. Let's see, what's on the news? Alright, Wednesday, 27, June 2018, Mount Cleveland, Alaska on watch alert as lava flow spotted on the floor of the summit crater observed in satellite data. Ash plume arising from Mount Cleveland. This is a picture of it rising in 2006. The Alaska Volcano Observatory said Tuesday a lava flow was observed at the Cleveland volcano on the uninhabited Chuganadak Island in the Aleutian chain. The lava flow is about 260 feet in diameter on the floor of the summit crater. Was observed in satellite data on Monday. The AVO reported possible steam emission was observed in satellite data at 0:48 UTC, June 26, 2018. And 4:48 p.m. Monday, June 25, 2018, that may be related to the effusion of lava in the crater, the AVO wrote in their daily update. The aviation color code was assigned to orange, and the alert level raised to watch, as the AVO says the presence of lava flow over the active vent increases the possibility of an explosion over the coming 2 weeks. So that's something to keep an eye on the next coming 2 weeks. Next, a huge asteroid is now visible to the naked eye in the night sky. Alright, exciting news, astronomy fans. You can see one of the largest asteroids in the solar system right now with the naked eye. Vesta, which is also sometimes classified as a protoplanet, is the second largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter after the dwarf planet Ceres. Occasionally, it's bright enough to see with the naked eye, including right now, as it just made its closest pass to Earth in 2 decades. The previous close pass came in May 2007, when it was a little bit further away. And as noted by Sky and Telescope, the object reached its closest point to Earth, known as opposition, on June 19th, a distance of 170.6 million kilometers, or 106 million miles. However, it should remain visible to the naked eye until July 16. Vesta can be spotted near the constellation of Sagittarius in the southeast sky when viewed with the northern hemisphere. From the northern hemisphere. From the southern hemisphere, it appears higher in the sky. Its path will take it close to Saturn, so if you can spot the gas giant, then you should see the asteroid just to the east of the planet. Alright. And from one asteroid to the other. This one's a comet. Oumaumau is an interstellar comet after all. Last year, astronomers were thrilled to find the first interstellar object passing through the solar system. There was some confusion, however, about the nature of Oumuamua. Initially designed a comet, then an asteroid, and even speculated to be an alien spacecraft. However, it seems the initial description was right, with Oumuamua revealing distinctly cometary behavior, albeit so weak we didn't detect it at the time. The orbits most similar to Oumaumau are traveled by visitors from the Oort cloud, where dirty snowballs circle for millions of years before plunging into the inner solar system. Exposed to sunlight, their ice turns to gas, producing a tail, or at the very least a coma. When all we knew about Oumaumau was its orbital path, it was categorized as a comet. Subsequently, with the abundance of telescopes trained on Oumaumau and no sign of escaping gases, this status was changed to asteroidal. The spaceship discussed occurred because its ratio of length to width was greater than any recorded natural space object, which seemed an odd occurrence. However, attempts to detect radio emissions found nothing. Now, observations of its orbit published in Nature support the cometary theory, not because of its already known hyperbolic path, but because its orbit changed slightly in the time we were watching. What we do know yet is the low visibility comet features of Oumaumau are the norm in the stellar system from which it came. So, Oumaumau is an interstellar comet after all. Next, let's see. Yes, this is from the Watchers. Intense eruption starts at Sierra Negra volcano. Evacuations ordered. Gallapagos, Ecuador. A new eruption started at Sierra Negra volcano, Gallapagos, Ecuador, around 2140 UTC. 1340 local time on June 26, 2018, following intense seismicity in recent weeks. The eruption produced a plume of volcanic ash mixed with SO2 and other gases, which is rising up to 8 kilometers or 27,000 feet above sea level. Experts described the eruption was the worst since 1979. Some say the worst in 200 years. The last eruptive phase of this volcano started on October 22, 2005 and ended on October 30th of the same year. It had volcanic explosivity index of 3. At least 50 people living close to the Sierra Negra volcano on Isabela Island have been evacuated after a series of earthquakes on June 26 resulted in one of the worst eruptions of this volcano in known history. Lava flows are being observed on the northern flanks of the volcano, directed toward the interior of the caldera and another part of its northern flank, in the direction of Bahia Elizabeth. The eruption is producing a cloud of gas and ash, which is moving to the west of the volcano. And I pulled up a picture of where this is. It's right there, in the middle, Sierra Negra and Isabela, Puerto Villamil in Islas Galapagos, or basically the Galapagos Islands. It is part of Ecuador, I believe, which is right here to the east of it. So it's right off South America, below Guatemala, Honduras, right in the middle of the ocean. Alright. So, intense eruption at Sierra Negra volcano. There's so many volcanoes being active right now. I'm not surprised that more volcanoes are waking up. I don't know what is the cause of all these volcanoes waking up, but we have to stay vigilant and, help each other out in time of need, especially if you live